Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, August 13th, 2025. Let's take a look what do we have in the economic calendar for today. Overnight data were mostly from New Zealand and Australia. Electronic car retail sales down from 0.5 to 0.2 in New Zealand. Australia wage price index down from 0.9 to 0.2. Excuse me, and the home loans down from apparently home loans up from minus 1.8 to 2.4. German CPI data are in line with the expectations, up from 0% to 0.3%. We are still waiting for the Spanish CPI, and then at 10 o'clock we got the GDP from Poland scheduled for release. At 10 o'clock we got IAA monthly report from the US, and at 11:30 we got German 10-year bond auction. During the US session we got crude oil inventories data scheduled for release at 4:30 together with the Cushing crude oil inventories. FOMC member Bostic will give a speech at 7:30. Then we have the data from the Russian Federation CPI and GDP quarterly. So not very busy day on the markets whatsoever. So without any further ado, let's switch to the charts. We start with euro dollar. Euro dollar is about to challenge the technical resistance at 1.1699. Yesterday we basically tested it as well. Today local high is just 2 pips away from the technical resistance. With that momentum here, a strong positive momentum, the chances for the breakout to the upside are quite high. So we should expect the next target for the bulls to be 1.1791. So please pay attention to the current market developments. It looks like we can a little bit play with our technical support. The technical support is 1.1557, and as long as we trade above this level, the outlook remains bullish. The British pound, after the data, is continuing our way. The next target wave be high at 1.3587. After the successful breakout above the technical used to be resistance, now support 1.3474. So that's the support, and the other support is 1.3464. So those are the support levels. Next target is 1.3584, wave be high, and basically this is it. We will have all of the wave C retraced, and the potential for the further movement upside is still big. Momentum very strong, hitting the extremely overbought conditions, so please expect the pullback after the wave be high is hit. US dollar versus the Japanese yen doesn't do much after the breakout above the level of 148.04. It tested the trend line again, and then has been obviously capped at this level. We are now trading very close to 100 periods moving average located at 147.84. So please pay attention with this market, because it doesn't actually know where it wants to go, whether it wants to go up or whether it wants to go down. Right now only a breakout, sustained breakout above the trend line resistance and above the level of 148.53. This is the technical resistance, local technical resistance, might be considered bullish. Now gold market doesn't do much on 4-hour time frame chart. After the decline from 3,408, we've been basically kind of a consolidating just below the 100 periods moving average on a 4-hour time frame chart, which is 3,357, and roughly around this technical support at 3,349. Nevertheless, let me just move this level here to the yesterday's low at 3,330. So that's the yesterday's low and local technical support for this market. Right now there is no momentum to the upside, there is no momentum to the downside. Right now 45 points, so we are closer to the neutral momentum than we are to the bullish or bearish momentum. Gold temporary moves sideways. All right, ahead of the data. Maybe we talk about Bitcoin a little bit. The Bitcoin reversed from the level of 122,314 down towards 118,000, then back up above 120,000 slightly, as the momentum is moving higher above the level of 55. Now, it's clear that the dips are being bought back up. So the dips are being bought. There's plenty of room to the upside still for the Bitcoin. So we should see another attempt to rally very, very soon. It looks like we can apply our trend line here. Just a second. I need to get rid of this. I think that from this low towards here, there might be some, yes, there is some interesting technical development here above the trend line. So let me make it thicker, and as long as we stay above this trend line, the outlook remains bullish. So let me just place this green arrow. Of course, the next target is all-time high, the previous all-time high, to be honest, but we can easily break above this level and move even higher. So that's the Bitcoin, that's the outlook. Obviously, if we break below the trend line, the zone between 116 115 will be tested, right? And the last but not least, Ethereum on a, let me just switch to daily time frame chart. Ethereum has hit our target. As expected, Ethereum hit the level of 4,540 as the let's say this bearish divergence progress. So right now we have even higher high, and we should expect some sort of the profit taking or a pullback in wave 4 very, very soon. So please keep an eye on the current developments in the Ethereum. It looks like we are done with the upside movement, and we need a pause in form of the wave 4. Plenty of the support is here, so don't be afraid with your with the you know, end of the up market. This is not the end of the up market. This is not the end of the uptrend. We just need some sort of the pullback or correction in wave 4, unless the market will extend this wave 3 even higher. But 161% is the perfect target for the wave 3 overall. So we should expect this market to basically be more susceptible to the downside movement than to the upside movement. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.